For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of elevated water tank by using Staad Pro V8 software. So I was already done my elevated water tank modeling process and I was applied the load cases. So initially I will show you the model. So click on the Staad Pro V8 software here. So click on the 3D rendering view option. So now you can see this is my 3D rendering view model for the respected water tank. So click on the modeling option, general option. So for this structure, I was taking the plate thickness which is comes under approximately 150 mm and circular column one which is consisting of 0.35 radius, and I was taking the beam which is consisting of 0.35 cross 0.23. So I was taking the loads which is comes under the section of the dead load, live load, water pressure condition system. So firstly I will do the analysis process for this respected building before applying the designing parameters. Okay, further go to analysis and print option, click on add print option, close option, go to analyze option, click on analysis, save option here. So the model will be do the analysis process. So if the model is obtained with 0 errors, then we can able to see the results which is comes under the deflection value, shear value, bending value, as well as the pressure value for the tank. So click on the post processing mode option here, click on done option. So apply your all load cases. So here I was applied the loads which is comes under the dead load, live load, water pressure and generator load combination systems. Click on OK option. So now we can see this is the load which is comes under the dead loading condition. Under the dead loading condition, the water tank will be deflect here like this. Okay, so click on the front view option. Now we can see this is the deflection. In the same process, I am selecting the live loading condition. Now we can see this is the deflection under the live loading condition system. Now here I am selecting the water pressure condition system. Under the water pressure condition system, the water tank will be collapse here like this. If the water is exceeding the pressure, then it will be try to collapse here like this. So here in this case, I was calculated the pressure of the water tank by using rho GH formula. So this respective tank will be applicable for the water condition system. If you want to fill the other liquid like oil or petrol or diesel, you need to calculate the pressure individually for the respective water tank. Okay, so this respective water tank will be applicable for the water condition system only. Okay, so here I am selecting the beam option, select the Fy value. This is the shear force diagram for the respective structure here like this. Okay, now you can see this is the water pressure, this is the dead loading condition, shear force, this is the live loading condition. Again in the same process I am selecting MZ value. Now you can see, click on the dead loading condition, this is the bending moment diagram for the respective structure. In the same process I am selecting the live loading condition system here like this. Now you can see this is the live loading condition system. In the same process I am selecting the water pressure condition system. This is the water pressure condition system diagram under this section. Okay, so again in the same process I am selecting the plate pressure. Apply your stress type is maximum absolute pressure, click on apply, click on OK. So now we can see this is the maximum absolute pressure for the respected water tank under the water pressure condition system. This is the dead loading condition system, this is the live loading condition system. So after the applying the load cases, after the analysis process, we need to see the deflection diagram for the structure. Go to click on the animation option, deflection, click on your select your loads, click on apply, so that it will display the deflection diagram here like this. In the same process you can select the section displacement option, click on apply, so that it will display the section displacement for the respective structure here. Click on OK option. So after that we have to design this particular structure. So further go to click on the modeling option here. Again I am selecting design option, select the concrete design from the left hand side options here. So from this we need to select the IS codal provision here. In this case just I am selecting IS 456-2000 code standard. Click on the select parameters. So from these parameters initially we need to pick some important parameters like compressive strength, yield strength and yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum, min, maximum, secondary like that. So for that firstly we have to deselect these respected values. Select the compressive strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement, maximum, min, maximum, secondary. Click on OK option. So after that we have to select the define parameters option here. So for this respected water tank we need to give the compressive strength of the water tank which is comes under the 30,000. Just I am assuming here in this case. Click on add option, select the FA value. Just I am giving the value will be of 500,000. Click on add option. Again in the same process I am selecting FI section reinforcement which is comes under the 500,000. Click on add option. Again I am selecting maximum min which is comes under the 16 mm diameter bar. Click on add option. Select the maximum secondary 6 to 12 mm diameter bar. Click on add option, close option. So select the commands option, select design beam command, click on add, design column command, click on add option, design slab element command, click on add option, take off command, add button, close option. Select the question marks for this respective parameter. Just I am selecting here as 30,000 by using assign to view option, assign option, yes option. Again in the same process I am selecting FI main, assign to view, assign yes option. In the same process I am selecting FI section reinforcement, assign to view, assign yes option. Maximum main, just I am selecting 16 mm, assign to view, assign yes option. Maximum secondary, assign to view, assign yes option. Select the design beam, select the front view option. Just I am selecting the beams here. Okay, just I am selecting these respected beams. Again I am selecting these respected beams. Again I am selecting these respected beams. Okay, click on assign to selected beams option, assign option, yes option. Select design column, go to select option, beams parallel to y direction condition. Click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Select design element by using assign to view, assign yes option. So after that we have to go to the analysis and print option, add your no print option again, close option here. Again select the analyze option, run analysis, save option. So here we have to check for the zero errors for the respected design considerations also. Now you can see here my model is checking for the zero errors. It was obtained with zero errors. Go to post processing mode option here, click on done option. So that it will display the deflection diagram for the respected consideration in the same process. So here I am selecting the beam cursor. Just I am deselecting this deflection diagram. Just I am selecting the load which comes under the dead load. Select any one of the beam here. Double click on it. Click on concrete design. Now we can see for this respected section, it is consisting of approximately 3 bars of 10 mm diameter at the top reinforcement section and 3 bars of 10 mm diameter at the bottom reinforcement section. So for this respected beam, it is consisting of approximately 19 numbers of the 8 mm diameter bar, which is placed at a distance of 120. Okay. So again in the same process, you can select any one of the second one beam. Just I am clicking on the concrete design. Now we can see this is the concrete design for this respected particular beam. Just I am selecting the column section here, click on the concrete design. Now we can see it is required approximately 6 numbers of the 12 mm diameter bar for the respected column. In the same process I am selecting this particular column section, which comes under this designing section, concrete design. So it is consisting of the same amount of the reinforcement design is. So after designing the beams and column section, we need to design the foundation section. So for that, click on the foundation design here. Select the loads which comes under the dead load, live load, water pressure. Click on include option, run Staad foundation. The fixed supports which comes under this respected 8 supports will be directly imported to Staad foundation software. In Staad foundation software, we can easily do the designing process of the isolated footing as per IS 456-2000 Codal Provision Standard System. So initially I am selecting this loads and factors option. Why? Because initially we need to develop the load combinations which comes under this isolated footing design. So select this respected generate load combinations initially, and we have to select the combination according to the Indian standard system only. Click on the generate option so that it will generate the service load combination. Again click on the generate option so that it will develop the ultimate load combination. So after that we have to click on the job setup option, select create job option. Just I am selecting the water tank WT which comes under the isolated one according to the Indian standard system, and select the SI system, assign to all supports. Select this particular 101, 102, 201, 203, 204. Click on include. Directly click on the create job option so that it will develop the isolated job information design results on the left hand side here like this. You can change the values of the respected considerations of the soil, or else you can consider the same values for the respected section. Okay. So you can directly click on the design option, click on S option so that it will develop the designing results for the respected isolated footing according to the IS 456-2000 Codal standard. So you can select any one of the code foundation. So it will display the complete foundation design results which comes under this particular section. Okay. So this is the starting page. This is the geometry. This is the schedules and drawing which comes under this foundation, which is consisting of 8 mm diameter bar which is placed at 80 mm center to center distance. Again it will be consisting of distribution bars of 6 mm diameter bar which is also placed at 60 mm center to center distance for the respected mat. So again you can click on the geo drawing. This is the calculation sheet. Okay. So this is the complete process of analysis and designing of elevated water tank by using Staad Pro V8i software. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for the respected questions. Thank you.